Building a website usually feels like a chore. You're either buried in code, fumbling with complicated design software, or paying a hefty price for someone else to do it. And even then, it can take forever to get something that looks clean and works beautifully on every device, whether it's a phone, tablet, or desktop. Let me introduce you to Wegic AI, one of the smartest tools I've come across for creating websites. It works like having a personal web team right inside a chat box. It's intuitive, fast, and effortless, whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or anyone with a project. This tool makes launching your site quicker and easier than ever, and it looks amazing on any screen. So, how does it work? When you first log in, you'll be greeted by Kimmy, your friendly AI web designer. You can chat with Kimmy just like you would with a teammate. For example, you might say, "I need a portfolio website for a software company," and Kimmy will quickly ask the right questions to understand your vision. From your site's purpose to your branding preferences, she helps craft a plan in under a minute that you can either approve or fine-tune. The whole experience feels incredibly intuitive and personal, like working with a creative partner who truly gets what you want. Once the plan is set, Timmy, your AI developer, jumps into action and brings your website to life. He takes everything you discussed and turns it into a sleek, responsive website in an instant. No need to worry about dragging and dropping or fiddling with settings. Want to move a section or change images? Just tell Timmy in the chat and he'll make it happen. It's fast, effortless, and honestly, a little magical to watch. Got a specific layout or design idea? No problem. You can upload a sketch or reference image right into the chat. It will use it to guide the structure and style of your site. Whether it's a rough wireframe or a polished draft, Wegic gives you pixel-perfect precision without you having to lift a finger. Once your site is built, it's time to add your content. Drop in headlines, paragraphs, images, and even YouTube videos, like this one, for example. Everything is automatically optimized and beautifully formatted. And if something's not quite right, or you want to adjust the tone, and it'll be fixed instantly. One of Wegic's coolest features is the ability to create a personalized AI avatar for your site. This avatar can welcome visitors, answer questions, or even guide users through your content. It adds a fun, interactive element that makes your site feel alive. And the setup is quick and easy. It's a unique touch that can really set your site apart from the competition. Once everything's perfect, it's time to launch. With just a single click, it publishes your website and even gives you a free custom domain. No need to worry about hosting, DNS settings, or any of that techie stuff. The platform works seamlessly across desktop, tablet, and mobile right out of the box. And if you ever want to make changes after going live, just hop back into the chat, tell what you'd like to tweak, and it's done. It's that simple, no stress, no confusion. What really set Wegic apart is its intelligence and accessibility. You don't need any experience in design or development. The chat interface is intuitive and easy to use, and the three AI agents, Kimmy, Timmy, and Turi, work together harmoniously to bring your vision to life. Honestly, it's one of the most user-friendly tools I've seen in the AI space. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update from AI Finder. We've got plenty more exciting tools coming your way that are revolutionizing the future with AI. Until next time, keep creating and stay curious. I'll catch you in the next one.